Good morning, students. Once again, welcome in our English online classes. Now, today we will start a new chapter, that is demonstrative and possessive adjective. So, first of all, we will do demonstrative adjective. Yes, demonstrative, which means showing or pointing something to someone. We use four words for the demonstrative adjective, that is this, that, these and those. Now, here, one important thing to remember is that this and that. These two words we will use with singular noun, and these and those we use for plural noun. One more thing which we have to keep in mind when we are doing the demonstrative adjective, that is whether the thing is near to us or far. For the things which are near to us, we use this and these. But when the things are far to us, we will use that and those. So, first of all, look at the first question. Fill in the blank spaces with suitable demonstrative adjectives. Now, look at the picture carefully, and as per the picture, you have to write the correct word. On the top, near and far has written. So, on the basis of that only, you have to choose the correct word and then write in the correct blank. Now, 1 and 2 has already done, so we will move further towards the third one. Dash bags are brown. If you will look at the top, near has written. And 4 bags are there. Number of bags are 4. So, it means plural. And the things are near to us. That's why here these will come. Fourth one. Now here at the top far has written. It means the things are far to us, not near. So, either I will use that or those. But I have already told you that we will use for singular and those we will use for plural. So here 4 bags are there. That is why in the blank those will come. Those bags are black. Now come to the next one. Dash kite is small. Here singular kite, only one kite is there. That is why this will come, because at the top near has written. Now next one is of far. That kite is big, because the kite is far to me, that's why that will come. Seventh one, dash cars are nice. Now here number of cars are 2, means plural, and for plural the things which are near to us we use these word. That is why these cars are nice. Now eighth one, here number of buses are 2, so dash buses are my uncle's. So for plural noun, the thing which is far to us, we will use those. That is why here those will come. Those buses are my uncle's. Now come to the next page. Ninth one, dash are horses. So here number of horses are 2, that is why these will come. 10th one is of the far one, and number of zebras are 3. Dash are zebras. So here those will come, because it's a plural one, that is why. 11th one, dash is a shark. Only one is there. That is why here this will come. Dash is a dolphin. Here the thing is far to me, because at the top far has written in the previous page. That is why here that will come. That is a dolphin. 13th one, dash are camels. So here 2 camels are there. and this is a plural one, that is why these are camels. These will come. Dash are giraffes. So here number of giraffes are 3. That is why here those will come. Now come to the B exercise. Fill in the blank with the demonstrative adjectives. That is this, that, these and those. Now see, in the bracket far, near has written. So as per the sentences only, we have to write the correct one. Remember one thing. Look at the noun and check whether the noun is singular or plural. If the noun will be singular, then this and that will come. And if the noun will be plural, then these and those will come. Now first sentence. Dash dresses are nice to wear. Now in the bracket far has written and dresses plural noun, that is why those will come. Is dash jar filled with water? Now in the bracket far has written and the jar is singular, that is why here that will come. Dash pictures on the wall are colorful. Now in the bracket near has written and the pictures are plural. So in the third sentence these will come. These pictures on the wall are colorful. Now fourth one. In dash school, sports competitions are held regularly. In the bracket near is there. So and school is singular, that is why here this will come. In this school. Now fifth one. Dash shoes fit you fine. Now in the bracket near has written. So here these will come. Sixth one. Dash mangoes are from our garden. Bracket near has written. So here these mangoes, because mangoes are plural. Dash fruits are from the farm. And the bracket far has written. So in the blank those will come. Those fruits. Eighth one. I like dash piano the best. It is from Germany. Now in the bracket near has written. So here this will come. Who is dash boy there? Is he your friend? In the bracket far has written. So here that will come. Who is that boy there? Now next one. You keep dash comics with you. Can I have dash books there? Now in the bracket two are there. Near and far. Near is for the first blank and far is for the second blank. So in the first blank these will come and in the second blank those will come, because both the nouns are plural. Comics and books. These two nouns are plural, that is why here these and those will come. Now come to the next page. Now let's move further towards the last exercise of demonstrative adjective. Fill in the blank spaces in this conversation with this, that, these, those. Jim, what is in dash bag? In the bracket far has written. So what is in that bag? Which one? Dash green bag there. What is in it? In the bracket far has written. So here in the bracket, in the blank, that will come. Angela got dash rucksack for me. Now in the bracket near has written. So here that is why in the blank this will come. Okay. What is in dash rucksack? Again in the bracket near has written. That is why here this will come. See. What a dash. In the bracket near has written. That is why here in the blank these will come. I am not sure. Dash picture cards are lovely. She got them made specially for me. Now here picture cards are plural. And in the bracket near has written. That is why in the blank these will come. One more blank is there in the same sentence. Dash cards over there are ordinary postcards. Again the noun is plural, not singular. and in the bracket far has written. So we have to choose the correct word suitable for the plural noun. So here that is why in the blank those will come. Those cards over there are ordinary postcards. So today we have done 3 exercises A, B and C. Complete all the exercises in your grammar book. That's all in today's online classes. Have a nice day.